In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to view and manage your saved passwords in the Brave browser. It's simple, and you'll have everything sorted in just a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click on the menu icon, the one that looks like 3 lines. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Autofill and Passwords. From there, choose Password Manager. This is where all your saved login information is stored. You'll see a list of websites along with the username saved for each one. If you want to view a password, just click on the entry. You may be asked to enter your computer password or PIN to confirm it's really you. From here, you can also edit saved logins, delete ones you no longer need, or manually add a new password using the Add button at the top. There's even an option to import passwords from another browser if you're switching over to Brave. Everything is kept securely stored, and you're always in control of what's saved. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.